Hey class, let's look at our first video on derivatives. Our first example, f of x equals -5. Since -5 is a constant, our derivative, which we use f prime of x, it looks like a little apostrophe, but it's read f prime of x. The derivative of any constant is 0. Our second example, f of x equals 4x to the 5th. We have a coefficient of 4 and an exponent of 5. So this one qualifies for power rule. F prime of x. With power rule, you multiply coefficient times exponent, 4 times 5. Take 1 off of your exponent, 5 minus 1. Our third example, f of x equals 2 over x cubed. This can be rewritten as 2x to the -3. That's a power of exponents. Multiplying coefficient times exponent, that gives us f prime of x is equal to -6. Take 1 off your power, -3 minus 1. And our fourth example, f of x equals 3/5 x squared. Sometimes it helps to rewrite your problem where you separate the coefficient from the variable term. This is basically power rule again, f prime of x. 3/5 times 2. Take 1 off your exponent, 2 minus 1 is 1. You can write the 1, but it's not required.